One of the most profitable things an affiliate can find is a product that's just starting to become popular. If you find one of these, you can get in early to promote it before too many other affiliates. And if you can do that, you can enjoy low competition affiliate commissions for as long as possible. I'm Andrew Hansen from digitalworth.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you a reliable way to find products exactly like that, in unlimited number and in any niche. Real quick first, if you like this video, make sure to click the button to subscribe below so you see immediately when we release new videos on how to increase your income with affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is a technique you'll use to find a newly popular product. When you find one, you'll quickly confirm there's an affiliate program for the product. Then you'll use your existing platform, whether it's your website or a social media profile, to promote that product for affiliate commissions. You ready for the technique? Here goes. The first thing you'll do is open up Google Trends. Google Trends is a treasure trove of data for affiliates and search engine marketers, but this technique is going to focus on using one particular feature of that tool that can tell us exceptional affiliate product opportunities that we may never have come across otherwise. So the first thing you'll do is to type into the search bar a brand name keyword in your market. Let's say one product you sell on your website is vacuum cleaners. You might type in a keyword like Dyson, which of course is a popular brand of vacuum cleaner. You can hit search at this point, and if it's not already on, you can change the time frame of the data to be the past 12 months. Next, you want to scroll down to this little panel on the left that says related queries. This is where Google gives you a list, in this case it was 25 search terms, of Dyson keywords that have just experienced a big increase in search volume. If you click on one of them, you can see what its annual search volume looks like on a chart. And in this case, for the term Dyson V11, obviously a new model of vacuum cleaner, you can see that at the start of this year, it wasn't being searched for at all, but recently there's been a huge spike in interest. You can now be sure that this product is new to the market and one that other affiliates can't have had that much time to catch on to. Ideally, you would do additional keyword research at this point to confirm the search numbers are worth it and the competition really is still low enough. But after that, you'd have a new affiliate product opportunity with every chance of becoming a great earner for you. You can refine your search at this point, checking for other brands in your market, data from other countries if it makes sense, and even in other time periods, say check in the last 6 months instead of 12. Google might show different related queries for that time frame. You can also toggle in the related queries panel between queries that are rising and queries that are top. In top, you'll see high volume terms you may not have come across. Just note that they're not as likely to be new to the market as the ones you see in the rising tab. One more quick thing on this. I like to run the brand name search first, but there are so many other kinds of keyword searches that can yield great results with this. For example, you can try a product keyword search like vacuum cleaner, which can be really helpful in uncovering new brand names that you might not have come across yet. From here, all you need to do is confirm that there's an affiliate program. If you're already in this market, you may know just by looking at the product that there's an affiliate program because, say, it's a product that's obviously for sale on Amazon and you could use the Amazon Associates program. But if it's not for sale on Amazon, you can always do a Google search for product name affiliate program and you'll quickly see the affiliate programs of stores with that product for sale. Okay, that's it. Listen, I really want to know how many people will actually do this search because I really don't like the thought I might be talking into this camera for no reason. So, if you do run this search, just type "did it" in the comments below. And if you're so bold, you might even tell me how it went. Not your niches and products or anything. Just tell me if you are happy with what you found. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe with this big button if you didn't already, and we'll talk again soon.